compose yourself. I'm ready.
I'm scared.
I'm not even looking at you. Great. What would you say?
Take 15.
Ready?
No.
I am. Ready?
No. I think this apprenticeship programme is just something that you have to do. You learn so much that you can't learn in school. I do quite a lot of admin things, work in the gallery as well, working with programmes.
I think the ITV Apprenticeship programme has been an amazing programme that they've run here for the last couple of years. I was one of the first, and it's just a great way to get your foot in the door.
So I've worked on Saturday Night Takeaway and also a couple of pilots that have gone out. You can dress up and go to London and see the other offices about ITV. There's loads of opportunities to see what ITV does as a whole. Meeting like famous people is always really cool, but you've got to act calm, keep yourself composed.
She's like, no, I want to eat something, please.
Oh no, don't!
I say definitely go for applying for this apprenticeship programme. Don't worry if you haven't got the skills or the experience needed. You can learn all that on the job, as long as you've got the passion, motivation to work in TV.
Definitely go for it. It's like one of the biggest opportunities you can take advantage of. You're paid to learn. I'd say definitely apply. It's a great place to work, and for me to apply for this apprenticeship and actually make the dream come true is incredible.